Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video I will give you 10 plus best Free Fire guild names which you can use freely. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you are enjoying this video then do not forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. I had given the guild names in the description box, so you can simply copy the names from description and use them in your guild. So, let's start our video.
I'ma go get it tonight.
So these are the guilds names. So if you want these types of interesting videos then simply subscribe our channel. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.